I'm going to review the Rival, and at the top you can see where you can set the temperature. The readings are a little bit small, but that's the only drawback on this. And when the amber light goes out, then you're ready to cook. I cook between 325 and 350. When I make bacon, I do it about 325. It eliminates the spatter, but I leave a towel there just in case it does spatter. It goes onto the towel instead of having to clean up the counter. So I put the bacon sideways depending on the length. Sometimes you could do it the other way, but these are a little bit long, so I just put as many on as I can, let them shrink, flip them over, and then as they shrink, I put them vertically so I could add more bacon. And I keep flipping it over and moving them around until I can get the whole pound of bacon on the griddle. So as it's cooking, all the bacon grease goes into the tray in the front, and you can see the slot where the grease goes into a little drip pan. Now that all the bacon's on, I pull them off as they're cooked well. And then I clean off the extra grease. This is actually how I clean the griddle when I'm all done. But I'm going to put some eggs over here onto the side as the rest of this bacon's cooking. So you can multitask with this griddle. At first I'm going to cook 2 eggs hard. And the griddle does slope towards the drip pan, so that's why the eggs tend to run here. But you can catch that with a spatula and then it'll seal up the dam. I don't normally move this fast. I'm speeding up the video, so the video is not too long. And you can see with the spatula how well it cleans the griddle. You just wipe that with a dry paper towel, and then when it's got all the grease up, I hit it with a damp paper towel, and then you can put it away. While the rest of this bacon's cooking, I'll just make 2 more eggs. I'll do these sunny side. And you can see how the eggs don't stick at all. Now that the bacon's done, my eggs are done and ready for breakfast. But if you hold on for another minute, I'll go ahead and show you how easy it is to cook pancakes. I hope you like my video. Share it, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.